How to collaborate in real time in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to collaborate and work together in Google Sheets. For that, you'll need to head over to your Google Chrome and then go to the 9 dots on the top beside your profile and scroll down, open up Sheets, and then choose the seat that you want to collaborate on. Just tap on it, and then on the uh, top right, you will see the share option. You'll have to tap on it, and then you will need to give the general access. You need to tap on the drop down and set it to anyone with link, and then you can change the role to editor, and then you can either put in the email address of the person whom you want to send it to and then hit done, or you can copy link and then paste the link on the DMs of the person whom you want to collaborate it with. And that's it. Now the person can easily work on the same Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.